Dual cut is synonymous with perfect finishing for cutting MDF, laminated wood, and all other wood types. This innovative technology eliminates the need for any additional finishing after cutting. Look at the results. Unlike conventional blades, dual cut blades do not leave burrs. In addition, there's a much smaller amount of wood chips. Dual Cut's outstanding design is the reason for this unbeatable finish. The dual cut blade's teeth are variable in size and point towards the center of the blade. The space between the teeth is also variable. The performance is really amazing. But dual cut blades offer much more. The unified shank allows them to be used with virtually all the main jigsaw brands on the market. Resistance and durability also make a difference. As well, their productivity and economy are very attractive to consumers. This innovation is available in 2 exclusive models. One blade for straight and curved cuts. The other blade for more complex contours and cuts. These exclusive models will transform the experience of jigsaw users with perfect finishes, high performance, absolute quality, and much more economy.